Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a mid-engine supercar, 92 NSX. This thing is amazing, just under 70,000 miles, and you can't tell by looking, it looks brand spanking new. The interior's gorgeous, the underside's gorgeous. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We'll look at that interior. We'll show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Acura investment. So come on up and let's take a look.
Go ahead.
So check this beauty out, man. That paint is slick. And look at the paint work on the nose. It is beautiful. I don't see any imperfections on there at all. Now there are a few faint little stone chips in the hood. You can barely see them. This paint is beautiful. I mean, it is so bright, it almost looks electric. It's like turned on. The wheels, they look brand spanking new. Of course, all the body lines line up nice. And look at this. Look at this interior. Looks like it's a brand spanking new car. Look at the door jambs. All the rubbers look good. Armrest looks great. Look at the door jamb here. Look how nice and clean everything is. I mean, it looks like a brand spanking new car. Of course, it's a 5-speed. It's a mid-engine. This thing is a little rocket ship. You want to talk about a blast to drive? This thing is amazing. Just beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we check everything out when it comes in here. So if you have any questions about the car whatsoever, just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He'd tell you all you need to know. And look at that, we've even got the trunk back here. There's a CD changer in there. We'll get the top up there and take a real close look at the motor here in a minute. We're going to go out and drive it first. When you look down the side of it, straight as an arrow. Just keep looking at this beautiful paint. Look at the door jambs here. Look how nice all that carpeting is in there, that passenger seat. She is beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're buying about 40 new cars every month. So we've always got something new coming in. As a matter of fact, we have another NSX right now, so get on the website and check it out. Now, I'm involved in purchasing every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience with muscle cars and hot rods picking out your dream car. All right, let's take this baby for a ride. You want to talk about smooth? You want to talk about fast? You want to talk about cornering? This is it right here, baby. This car is amazing. You want to talk about a blast to drive? This thing is a dream. Take it anywhere, go racing, drive it across the country, whatever you want to do. You're going to have a blast with this car right here. It's got everything you need. It is comfortable, it is fast. I love it if you can't tell already. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you give us a call at 248-974-9513 and Tom can tell you just how easy it is for us to park this dream in your drive. And if you need some help with financing, don't worry about that at all. We've got 3 different bankers we work with on financing. We can get this car financed for you in a quick minute, no problem whatsoever. Looks like we got a semi-truck block on our way here. We do a little loop-de-loop here, turn around and go back the other way. Just pop this baby in reverse. Who knows what he's doing, but he's gonna wait on us. Look at us go. Like I said, I like shifting gears anyway. Now, If you look down here on the dash, all the gauges and everything are working. Now there is one little light on there. It says brake lamp. I'm gonna have the guys check that out and figure out what that light actually means. Everything on the car works. It's a low mileage car. You're gonna love it. Now we're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see how clean the bottom side is. We're gonna check out the motor compartment. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this little hot rod right here. These cars are amazing, guys. There's not a lot of them out there either, and ever since the new one came out, oh my gosh, you can't find these anywhere. Everybody's grabbing them up in a quick minute. What an awesome ride these cars are. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We're real close to the airport, so if you want to fly in and check this beauty out, no problem. You want to drive in, no problem. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. So stick with us. We're going to put it in the air for you right now so you can check out the bottom side. All right, we're underneath this NSX now, and man, look how clean this thing is. You'd never believe this baby had 69,000 miles. Look at all this aluminum, how bright and shiny everything is. I mean, this thing is clean as a whistle. Definitely lived indoors its whole life. Probably never driven even on a rainy day. Look at all the paint down here. Everything about the car, absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's practically showroom quality here. Just beautiful. Look how nice and clean it is. It's amazing. All this aluminum, no corrosion on it. It's just beautiful. This car is just, I can't say enough good things about it. I tell you, she looks brand spanking new. It's just an amazing ride, guys. This thing is a blast to drive. It's super clean, definitely well kept. And you know what? The value of these cars is doing nothing but going up. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we do have one little scratch here in the center cap, but the wheel itself's in beautiful shape. Let's see if I can find a size on here anywhere. 205, 55, 15s. And again, look at that paintwork right down to the bottom edge. Just beautiful, nice and clean. Let's look at the rear. All right, in the back here, again, the rim, no rash at all, and the cap looks brand spanking new. And look at that wheel well. Look how nice and clean all that is. Give me your light there. We'll take a real nice close look in there. Look how nice and clean all that is. Isn't that amazing? It's hard to believe this car's got a mile on it at all. Now, there is one little scrape right there, but that's on the bottom edge. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, or I guess you could call this a hood. It's actually the back glass. Look at the dual overhead cam. It's a 3-liter. It is a V6. This thing makes 270 horse and 210 foot-pounds of torque. It set all kinds of records for horsepower to liter ratio back in the day. It's all stock under here, guys. This is, I think I already said, it's an aluminum block. It's actually got cast sleeves in it. Aluminum trans, just beautiful under here. Look how nice and clean all this stuff is. No corrosion. I mean, it looks brand spanking new under the hood. The car's a blast to drive, guys. We didn't get to drive it today because it's all nasty outside. But I tell you what, we've had one of these before, and it is just a blast to drive. I mean, it handles like it's on rails. It's fast as can be, and you're gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.